Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic that many of us struggle with: how to speak confidently with your boss, with your senior. It's completely normal to feel a mix of emotions when communicating with someone in a position of authority. But don't worry, I've got you covered in this video. I will provide you with practical tips and emotional support to help you boost your confidence and build a strong rapport with your boss or your senior. So let's get started. Before we dive into the tips, let's address the emotional aspect of speaking with your boss. It's common to feel nervous, anxious, or intimidating in these situations. Remember, your boss is a human too and wants you to succeed. Take a deep breath and remind yourself of your own value and your worth. You were hired for a reason and your opinion matters. Trust yourself and let's conquer those nerves together. Imagine this. You have a brilliant idea that could significantly improve a project, but fear holds you back from expressing it to your boss. You worry about being judged or dismissed. But what if your idea is the missing piece that could lead to success? Don't let self-doubt hinder your growth and believe in yourself, your abilities. Remember, confidence starts from within. Now let's move on to the practical tips that will help you speak confidently with your boss. Tip number 1, prepare. I am an extreme believer of preparation. Preparation is key. Take time to gather your thoughts, anticipate potential questions, and gather supporting evidence for your ideas. When you come prepared, you will feel more confident and ready to articulate your thoughts clearly. Tip number 2, be clear and concise. When communicating with your boss, it's important to be clear and concise. Keep your message focused and avoid rambling and going off the tangent. Practice summarizing your thoughts beforehand so you can convey your ideas effectively without overwhelming your boss with unnecessary details. Tip number 3 is active listening. Communication is a two-way street. Actively listening to your boss's feedback, ideas, and concern. This shows respect and willingness to collaborate. By being attentive, you'll gain valuable insights, which will help you respond confidently and contribute to meaningful discussions. Tip number 4 is your body language. Your body language speaks volume. Even before you say a word, maintain an eye contact, stand or sit up straight, and use open gestures. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting, as it can project insecurity. Embrace a confident posture, and you will exude confidence from within. Tip number 5, practice assertiveness. Being confident doesn't mean being aggressive or overly assertive. It means standing up for your ideas and expressing your opinions respectfully. Practice assertiveness by using I statements, expressing your needs and concerns, and being solution-oriented. Remember, assertiveness is a valuable skill that can propel your career forward. Confidence is a journey, and setbacks are part of the journey. Don't let a single negative experience or rejection discourage you. Learn from each experience, grow stronger, and keep moving forward. Remember, every successful person has faced challenges along the way. Embrace your failures and turn them into opportunities for growth. Now that we have covered the practical tips and emotional support, it's time for you to put them into practice. Remember, speaking confidently with your boss is a skill that can be developed over time. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and keep pushing boundaries. Well, that's a wrap with today's video on how to speak confidently with your boss. We hope these tips and emotional insights have been helpful for you. Remember, you have the power within you to speak up, be heard, and make a positive impact. Don't let fear hold you back from reaching your full potential. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experience in the comment below. Until next time, stay confident, keep striving for greatness. And if you want to be part of my community, the link is in the description. Please join my WhatsApp group where I share a lot of information every single day that can help you build a strong character, strong mindset, and ultimately a strong personality. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.